What up, people? Rishabh here. So, I really enjoyed making the speaker mod on this cabinet in the last video. If you haven't checked out here, it would be right here. So now, let's add fuel to the fire. Let's start customizing the front side of this cabinet. Oh my god, it looks so bad. So this will be a multi-part series as I don't have all the parts or the inspiration to do everything on the front right now. In today's video, we'll try to fix this fan mount on the front side of this cabinet. So, a little backstory. This is an old cabinet I got from OLX. I've been customizing it since my teen years. Since it is so old, it has 4 freaking 5.25 drive base slots. Today, I'm putting them to good use. Alright, back to the video. I bought this 120mm into 3x drive bay fan mount from eBay for $26. Yes, that's 2000 Indian rupees. That's how much I love modding. The only problem is this is supposed to be fit on the plastic part that was outside from here. Sadly, I have already removed that. So our task in this video is to figure out how would we fit it on the metal part instead of the plastic one. Alright, so let's get tinkering. I love that word, tinkering. As you can see, it kind of fits perfectly, wobbles a little bit in its place. I can also put a link of this fan mount in the description, but it's very use specific. I don't know if you guys would be in a similar situation like this, but if you are, then yeah, it's good to know. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna drill some holes on either side of these. Alright, so I got a marker with me. Alright, so I got the drill with me. Alright, so I'm done with the drilling on the case. There's still drilling left on the actual mount, which is very scary, I think I'm not going to use the drill on that. I'll just use my soldering iron to melt the plastic because I think the drill would probably shatter it. Okay, so I'm back with the tools. I have a filer with me and a plier. Filer and a plier. Okay, so new update guys, the electricity just ran out in my house, so that's not a good sign for making a YouTube video. Alright, so I don't want to wait till it comes back, so I'll just use the impromptu, the flashlight in my phone. So alright, I have 3 types of screws. Let's see which one fits our use case. Alright, so after some hit and trial of the things, I got the perfect screws that's not gonna be too long and are going in perfectly. So I guess there's just the final part left to put this all together and see how it looks. Alright, so I am done screwing this thing in. It's not that perfect. As you can see, like the lower part is a bit inside and the upper part is coming fit off. Surprisingly, the right side is super fine, like it's so good. I don't know what happened with the left side. Maybe my left side coordination isn't that good. I don't know. Alright, so I think that was all that we had to do in this video. I also have this one drive base slot cover, so I'll just put that on here just to prevent some dust from going in. Alright, so not bad, eh? I mean, with what we started, this is much better. Alright, some things to note for the next video. I have ordered few RGB fans, so I'm gonna replace the blue fan over here with an RGB one, and likewise I'm gonna install an RGB fan in this new fan mount. And I have also ordered some fan filters. actually just two fan filters. So one's gonna go over here, one's gonna go over here. I don't need any top fan filters because I don't have a fan on the top. As you know, I have a speaker on the top. Damn. Until the next part in this series, namaste. This is such a weird namaste, like there's no light, there's just the flashlight, but nothing can stop me from making YouTube videos. So namaste.